Hello students, how are you? I am sure that all of you will be safe and sound at your home. Regarding our previous discussion, we have already started a topic related with our writing sections, that's the speech deliverance. During that very discussion, I have already provided you a lot of ideas, informations and guidelines. So that's why I am sure that all of you will be in position to sort out that very problem correctly. Just after that, today we have to start a new topic related with also your writing section, that's the story writing. So all of you minutely, carefully and seriously focus my today's video and follow me.
Stories writing. Story writing is an art. To write a good story, one must have the whole plot clear in one's mind. The taste of a good story is that it should hold the reader's attention. Now, my dear students, I try my best to provide you some points for your support. The following points will be of help to you in writing a good story. First of all, before beginning to write, have a clear idea of the plot. You must know how the story is going to end. If you can start well and end well, your story will certainly be a good one. Next one now. You may insert dialogues wherever possible. They certainly make the story interesting. These dialogues must be short, lively, and interesting. After then, the other one like give names to characters. Even animals can have names. These names should be short and interesting. Next one now. Let your story be not untowardly long. Next one now. Give a suitable title to the story. You may name it after the main character, object, incident, or a proverb. As the last tip, write the story always in the past tense. My dear students, just after providing a lot of informations, ideas and guidelines related with the stories writing, now I would have to select a problem along with its solutions. The problems like now you have to write a story in about 200 to 250 words using the following clues. As for clue, you were walking hurriedly to your school as you were already late, and then you saw. On the basis of these all the clues as well as the problem, first of all, we would have to think about a suitable title or heading for this story. So, my dear students, in my opinion, it will be the suitable title for our story like Saving a Life. Now the explanation. It was 7 o'clock. My school starts at 7:15. I feared getting late. So I was walking fast. And then I saw the scene that I couldn't easily forget. An elderly man was walking on his side of the road. A truck came from behind, honking loudly. Obviously, the elderly man didn't bother because he was on the proper side of the road. The truck crushed the man and stopped only after hitting the road divider. As soon as the truck came to a halt, its driver got down and ran away before anyone could lay his hand on him. Perhaps he was drunk. I knew I had no time, but I couldn't stop myself from looking at the face of the elderly man who was apparently dead. As soon as I saw the face, I recognized him as the electrician who often visited our house. His name was Tinku, but I didn't know anything more about him. I phoned the ambulance from pedestrian's phone and took him to the nearest hospital. I was glad to find that he had not died. I missed my school that day, but my parents praised me for what I have done. That's all. My dear students, now I am sure that all of you will be in position to sort out any problems related with story writing. That's why for your exercise, I also select a problem or question for you. Now, you have to prepared to write down the story correctly. As a problem for you, in about 200 to 250 words, write a story based on the input given below. Two teams in the playground, whistle blow, match about to begin. The two captains looked tense. Suddenly, there was a commotion. Now, on the basis of that very clue, try your best to complete the story. Next chapter we have to start next day. Thanks a lot. God bless you.